Hello and welcome to the recipe of the week. We are cooking risotto, and the way to a healthy body is through vegetables. We are complete in nutrition with our meals, and I wanted to show you how to hide the vegetables. We're going to create a mussel risotto. And so I've bought mussels from Richie's in Dramana because they are local and delicious. So just wanted to point out that I am using all natural ingredients. I've read the label of all my products, and I know there's no added sugar, there's no added additives. So this is really good for your bodies. There is a lot of good nutrition in here. So there is iron, psyllium, omega-3, iodine, and there is 8 grams of protein per serve. There are 2 serves. So there's not a hell of a lot of protein, but there is a lot of minerals and vitamins and good fats. So we've cooked about 1.5 to 2 cups of rice risotto style. You could use brown rice, and risotto style basically means olive oil, lots of it, lots of garlic because we want to boost your immunity. And then I had some leftover chicken soup that I cooked 2 days ago. So I've added that in to the rice. So remember, it's all about adding in hot chicken soup or natural broth or just hot water and salt into your risotto. And then to make it a completely nutrition meal, we are adding in vegetables. So I wanted to show you how the vegetables look like. So I've already added in 4 cloves to this dish. It will make 4 serves, I believe, or 5, depends how much you will eat, you and your family. And I believe it's probably a meal that's better to be shared because it's seafood, but you could have it the day after as well, So we are shredding, super important that we get the vegetables in. We are shredding 2 more veggies. So you could use onion and garlic, that's a veggie, and then you use 2 more vegetables. So there's always 3 vegetables in every meal you make because that is good for your bodies with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, okay? And it's not easy to do when we want to cook something delicious, but we're being sneaky. Okay, so I've shredded it on the smallest one. So that's the larger shredder bit, and that's the smallest one. Shredded zucchini and carrot, okay? And so I'm adding it in to the risotto. I need to stir it up. And it's as easy as that. Oh boy, oh boy. It's not easy filming with one hand. And I'm waiting with the salt. It's all right. I'm waiting with the salt because I will be adding in the mussels, and the mussels are super salty. So check the label with instructions of how to add the mussels into your risotto. So I am now adding in, so the rice is ready. It's been cooked with the broth, garlic, olive oil. I did dab in a bit of butter, and so it's pretty much cooked. Now I'm adding in the vegetables, mussels, and tomato paste, which is this. My goodness, there's not enough there, but that's okay. I have some in the cupboard, right? I'll find something. It's the last thing I do. Okay, so either way, this is the product you'll be using that I use because once again, it has no added ingredients other than tomato condensed, okay? And it is what the Italians use, and it's super sweet naturally. You don't need to add any sugar. And that's it, my friends. Once it's done, I will show you what it looks like. So I've cooked the rice and I've added in the mussels. And I'm just stirring them into the rice. Putting the lid on so they get hot quick. Now let's add in the passata, the Italian paste, about half a bottle. Stir it in and let all the juice the juices come out from the vegetables, from the mussels. Put the lid on and let it cook. At least 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, medium heat. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mussel risotto. It does probably need a little bit more salt. I've added in some pepper, and you can add in a whole bunch of parsley. Of course, you might need to hide it. So finely chop it and garnish it for yourself. If someone else won't eat it or the family won't eat it, at least have it for you, because parsley is very anti-inflammatory. Of course, you could use basil leaves. And let's see. It's creamy. Actually, it's just enough salt. It's really creamy, and the rice is soft, and there's so much flavor, and it looks very appealing. Can't wait to serve it with some parsley in a nice bowl, and just enjoy.